Here it is, quick unboxing video of the DJI Goggle Racing Edition. Let's go! So, comes in this nice black box. And again, to be sure you receive new ones, not used one, you have to check for all the seals, all the security seals. So there is one which I removed already. I'm going to show you. So this slides up like that. Here we go. That's the box under. And there was one security seal right here. So security seal was right there, which I removed. So be sure that you have like a large security seal right here on this box. And then you have to open it that way here. So here goes toward you. Here you go. Toward you. Opening. Then you put it that way. So the handle is facing you. And you open and reveal the DJI Racing Edition glasses. So the goggles are right on the top here. Here it is. Nice, no scratch. Or again, if you see any scratch, that means you got a used one, sold as new. Also, you will note that the lenses have some plastic protection right here. So you have to, don't forget to peel those off, okay? Plastic protection, again, used one will not have those. So plastic protection on the lens. There you go, try to find the knob on this one. It's right here. So don't forget to peel those. If you see blurry, that means you forgot those plastic. Then, under the glasses, we do have some more accessories. You remove this layer of foam right there. Here is the headset. So what goes around the head. Here, the battery is located here in the back, and you have a knob here to adjust to your head size. And that's the port that connects to your glasses with the antenna port right here. So it clips to the goggle. All right, like that. You clip it until the clip, and that's the release button on the top. All right, we put that on the side. Oh, I forgot to tell you. Here, since the battery is in the back, here is the USB port, micro USB port to charge it. So it came with the charger. As you see in the box, there is a charger for the goggle. It's a nice looking charger from DJI, but you can use actually any kind of USB charger, like for your phone, etc., that has a micro USB port on one side. So if you have a cable, up micro USB, and you charge the headset, charge these parts. There you go, so the charger. And now we got a black box of mystery. What is in the black box of mystery? Probably some more cable, accessories. Let's see. That's it. So we do have in this plastic bag, they gave us, again, it's new, it's nicely sealed. So for sure, my set is not a used set. Some seller, unfortunately, will sell you new, and it's all used and returned product. So first thing in this bag, I have a nice cleaning cloth. Then the cable, USB to micro USB. Again, if you have to connect that to the charger, but if you have the same already for your phone, etc., you can use that and save this charger. And then we have the antenna, very nice antenna for racing, whoop drone, FPV, etc., for analog signal. And there are two of them, very nice build quality. There you go. Followed by with some clip to manage your cable around your goggles. And we have a nice HDMI cable with a micro HDMI with the right angle. So that allows you to plug it to the goggle and to stream something from, imagine a Blu-ray player to the goggle. So So you can watch a movie basically with your goggle or stream anything video in the goggle. And to finish, a nice little adapter for the antenna. If you have another kind of antenna, you can use this adapter to plug them. And we finish by the classic user manual, which I advise you to read as usual. It's very important. Read the user manual. Here you go, that's it for the box. Now let me show you quickly how to connect those two units. So the goggle with the headbands. So you see this little headrest has to go on the top, and the charging ports that I showed you earlier should be on the bottom, okay? So like that. So here you have the little release mechanism, the little dents that go inside here. And the button, when you push the button, it should release it after if you need. So you slide it that way and you should click. There you go, nice click. And now the goggle are linked to the head bands, and now you can charge it. You don't have to separate the headbands from the goggle to charge them, or you don't have to leave them together to charge them, because there is no battery in the goggle. The battery is here. Once again, battery is in the back here, which give you a nice balance of your goggle once you have them on the head. So you can separate them, or you can just leave them in one piece, like I just did. Since I have a case, so I just put the whole thing in the case and that's it. So I'm going to charge them like as it is, and everything should work perfectly. Quickly, before I forget again, I'm going to show you what you have as connector or button on those glasses. So on the top, you have the connector for the antenna, for the analog antennas, for when you use it to race your drone around. So on the side, you have HDMI ports for the cable I showed you earlier. You have HDMI ports, micro HDMI port, the slot for the micro SD card. Remember, this goggle does not come with a micro SD card, so you have to purchase one. And here for headphones, so a port for headphones, and also apparently you can use this port to connect your remote control to those glasses. And here is the speaker of the glasses on the side. Here you go. And on the other side of the glasses, you have the power button with the light that indicates you the battery level of the glasses. So it works a bit like a DJI drone. For example, if you press one, you should know what's the battery level. And if you press, here you go, you have two bars. If you press and hold, then it will turn on the glasses. And here on the side, you have the touchpad. So it's like a touchpad, mouse touchpad like you have on your laptop, for example. Some laptops have those. You just like use your finger to move the mouse around to go select something on the menu. And then in the bottom, you have a return button. This is the return menu, previous menu. And here is a button for selection. Okay, here we go. And here is another, probably a reset port or something like that. I'd love to do some research about this hole over there. And this wheel allows you to adjust, I don't know if you can see it, adjust the distance between the two lenses for your eyes. So if you like to have the distance a little bit further away or more close, depending on your eyes, or if you are wearing reading glasses, this may be helpful to adjust those lenses to your glasses, for example. So here you go. And again, the charging port, like I showed you before, micro USB charging port to connect your headset and recharge the battery in the back. And that was all for the new DJI Racing Edition goggle. Now we have to try everything and see if it works with my Mavic or with my Tiny Whoop. Should work normally. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on next video. Bye bye.